Salutare, sunt de Gaming Edge Band și bine am găsit la nou la Karaoke Party. Astăzi vom cânta Let it snow, let it snow, let it snow din Mountain. Știu că n-am voce, nu vă spărați pe mine, dar mă distrez, sper să vă distrați și voi. Cred că veți râde de vocea mea, cel mai probabil. Oh, the weather outside is frightful, but the far is so delightful. And since there's no place to go, let it snow, let it snow, let it snow. It doesn't show signs of stopping, and I bought some corn for popping, and since autumn day and low. Let it snow, let it snow, let it snow. The final kick is good night. I will hate going out in the storm, but if you really hold me tight, all the way home I'll be warm. The fire is slowly dying, and my dear is still goodbying. As long as you love me so, let it snow, let it snow, let it snow. Final kiss goodnight. How I hate going out in the snow, but if you really hold me tight, all the way home I'll be warm. The fire is slowly dying, and my dear will still goodbying. As long as you love me so, let it snow, let it snow, let it snow. Am ratat tot asta. Mi-a ieșit pe locul 3 din 4 oameni cât au vrut să cânte. Merge, a fost bine. Ok, punem pauză și revin cu alt cântec. Și am revenit cu melodia a doua de la Bing Crosby, Santa Claus is coming to town. A spus așa, de nu s-o înțeles nimic. O să înțelegi acum. You better watch out, you better not cry. You better not, I'm telling you why. Santa Claus is coming to town. Round. He's making a list and checking it twice. Gonna find out who's naughty or nice. Santa Claus is coming to town. He knows if you've been good or bad, so be good for goodness sake. Hey, you better watch out, you better not cry. Now I'm telling you why. Santa Claus is coming to town. To town. A fost și o româncă, cică. Well, the kids and girls in Boyland will have a jubilee. They're gonna build a toyland town around the Christmas tree. You better not cry. I'm telling you why. To town. He knows if you're being bad or good, so be good for goodness sake. You better watch out, you better not put. Santa Claus is coming to town. You better watch out, you better not cry, you better not pout, I'm telling you why. Santa Claus is coming to fat man, long beard. He's coming down. Mă la surprinderea. Bam! Hai mai facem ăla de Crăciun, că mă simt generos. Acum continuăm cu ceva clasic. Jingle Bells Rock de la Bobby Helms. O să vă plac. Ha, știu că o să vă plac. Și m-am dat la o lituaniancă. Jingle bell, jingle bell, jingle bell rock. Jingle bells swinging, jingle bell ring. Showing and blowing up brushes of fun. Now the jingle hops has begun. Jingle bell, jingle bell, jingle bell rock. Jingle bell chimes and jingle bell time. Dancing and prancing and jingling square. In the frosty air, the rainy time is the right time to rock that night away. Jingle bell time is the swell time. Go to the home host sleigh. Up, jingle horse, pick up your feet. Jingle around the clock. Mix up and mingling the jingling fingle. That's the jingle bell rock. Pam 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 pam. The bright time is the right time. Rock the night away. Jingle bell time is the swell time to go gliding in a horse sleigh. Giddy up, jingle horses, pick up your feet. Jingle around the clock. Mix up a mingling, a jingling feet. That's the jingle bell, that's the jingle bell, that's the jingle bell rock. Crăciun fericit tuturor, nu e Crăciunul, dar m-am gândit să fac din timp pentru a nu rămâne în urmă. Vă mulțumesc, vă sunt recunoscător, 2000 subscriberi, la revedere. Sărbători fericite tuturor. Care buton am uitat? Ăsta.